Hello, this is Sharif, Just Nailed It, and I'm coming to you today with a haul from Charlie's and SheModern. You can go to Charlie's nailart.co.uk to place your order. I am a brand ambassador. My 10% off code is NailedIt10, all caps. Save yourself 10% off your total bill at Charlie's. Why not? I am leaving my address exposed in case you want to make donations to my channel. You can do it publicly or anonymously, whichever your heart desires. Okay, we have a note from Charlie. This is my PR samples. Let me group things together here a little bit. And we have our note here from Charlie's. I put a video up. When was it? On Monday the 3rd. Explaining my eye surgeries and everything, so I'm not too sure how well I can read this note. If it was black and white, I would have a good shake at it, but, hello Cherie. Many thanks for your order. We hope you are happy with all of your new goodies. And what is an orange? I can't read. I can't make that out. And she signs it Charlie. And she has got her platforms of social media here at the bottom. If you want to screenshot that. And again, I am a brand ambassador. You can save yourself some coins. So we are going to dive in. I have got 3 foils. All foils are named, as most items are from Charlie's. And I'm not going to open them, unfortunately. This one is called Feathers, which would be pretty self-explanatory, and they kind of look like they're hollow. Our next item up for bid is white chunky lace. So, love the chunky laces, love the lace foils. Wish I could make them out. Fallen, I hope it doesn't say poppies. I think it just says poppy. Yeah, poppy flowers. Love those as well. They've got some water decals. I believe these are flamingos, which will come in very handy for the summer. This I already do have, so I'm going to be putting this. I am going to be starting a 1200 giveaway since I am so close, and I will put these in it. It's going to be products that I have. It's going to be so out of my pocket. We could start it with this video. Let's do that. Let's start a giveaway with this video right here, right now. For when I reach my 1200 subscriber giveaway, I will have one winner, USA only. I'm very sorry. It is going to be like, it'll be this. I have, let me see, I have these 2 things here by SheModern. It's orange sheer color and orange sparkling sheer color. Both of those will go in the giveaway. I have maybe, it'll be random stuff, some SheModern, some Charlie's, some other things that I have that I'll just put in together. Some glitters, some foils. It could be Halloween foils that I have an excessive amount of. So it's going to be a mixture of things. There will be, like I said, one winter to enter. Please listen and follow directions, because people never do. In all caps, enter me, USA. This is USA only. But please put enter me USA in all caps. Leave that as a separate comment from anything else that you are going to comment on here. Please. You must be subscribed to my channel. I feel like I'm all crooked. You must be subscribed to Charlie's channel. She now has a Charlie's nail art channel on YouTube. You must be subscribed to them. You must be subscribed to SheModern. Go check them both out on Instagram. You can check me on Instagram as well. Just nailed it. Let me see. Is there anything else I need to say? Subscribe to my channel. Go check out Charlie's and SheModern. Okay, let me see. I think that'll be it. Must meet Teeny the age of older. This does come out of my pocket. No one else's. No sponsors on this giveaway. But when I reach 1,200, I will draw. Okay, I've got 3 fine glitter mixes because that's what I like best. This one is called Cherry Bomb. And I believe these, I can't see how many grams they are, but I'm sure you can. It should be maybe 5 grams. So you got Cherry Bomb. We have got, what does this one say? Orange Zest. These are so pretty. And our lemon is, what does that say? Oh boy. Lemon sherbet. I'm slowly getting some eyesight back, and it's not 100% yet. These are my goodies that I purchased. I will show you my PR items in just one momento. We are going to continue on now with my PR samples. I'm getting parts. I need a tweak. Sorry about that. Sorry about the smacking of the lips too. It's kind of ignorant. Kind of rude. So here are my PR samples for the month of April, I believe. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. There's the name of the foil. Spring to summer, I think it says. Oh, wait a minute, I got 2 foils here. Okay, let's hold on here. Here's this one. This is beautiful. You can't see the name. I'm sorry. Oh, look how pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. This is called Spring to Summer. We have got that. We have got some, I don't know what these are. I can't tell. Neon Butterflies. Sample. You would get, if this was purchased outright, this bag would be full, so I just get a sample as my PR item. I always tell Charlie to surprise me instead of picking out my own. I think it's a lot more fun that way. Oh, I can't make out what these are. Hot pink flowers. Okay. Whoops. We've got a sample size of hot pink flowers. Those are going to be really handy. Flowers are popping up all over my yard. Forest green flowers. Beautiful. So this is the Charlie's part of the haul. Let me put these away really quick. And we'll dive into my SheModern. I purchased 2 stamping polishes that they now have. I ordered the white and the black. And the graphite glitter. I've never had that before. A lot of people rave about it, and I had to have it. So I did put in a request for that. So let's dive right in. Oh, I definitely need to find my 2-sided tape. I need to tear down my desk, clean it, sanitize it, restart all over with, I've got so much stuff all over the place here. Ooh, what is this? Wait a minute. She's got me a little confused. Oh, these are tiny. These are the same size bottles as... Hold on. And you should shake these up, she said, because they have been sitting in transit. These are, let me see. I can't read with my eyes the size, the milliliters, but these are the same size bottles as her Smoky Marble inks. They are tiny. So these are the stamping polishes. I ordered the white and the black, and they are sticky. Cannot wait to play with these. Let's see what goodies she sent me. Oh, there's no graphite glitter though. Oh, I am bummed about that. I did what she told me to do, and oh, I am bummed. I really wanted that graphite glitter too. So let me open these and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back. We have got, if you want to call these PR samples from Tina. She has got top coats out now. There are 4 of them. She sent me 3. But she did not send the graphite glitter, which I'm super, super bummed about. My next order, hopefully I will get it. We've got the matte, the glossy, and the satin. There is a shimmer, I believe it is. It's the 4th one. I believe it's the shimmer. So this is my SheModern haul. I cannot read the backs of these. I don't know if you can. It probably has ingredients. I don't know what they have. I can't see it, so I'm sorry. Terribly sorry. I'm doing good trying to read the front of it. This is the satin. Glossy. And matte. Let's check these out. Give them a little bit of a whiff test. I'm going to say low to no odor. Normal drip consistency. So the slow side, which is good. I just got some on my hands. Oh. Leave it up to me to get a little bit on me, huh? So this is the satin. Oh, this is thicker. Like it. And then we have got which one is this? Is this the matte? Yes, it is. Be definitely checking out her matte polish as well. So check out SheModern. She's got some new products coming out. I don't know what's going to be out for June or for the rest of May, if anything. I think she's having some decals coming out this summer, but I don't know with what. I am not privy to that information ahead of time. But check out SheModern.com. She's got a lot of great products. And as you can see, these are all new. I don't think anybody has these yet, so we will be playing with these next Saturday. Or this coming, maybe, depending on my vision. Next Saturday. But depending on my vision, how all that goes, depends on what I do. So, keep me in your prayers. I appreciate that very much. I appreciate the support and the outpour of love. I really do. I was so truly touched. So truly touched. So I thank you. And before I start to tear up any further, thank you for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the haul video. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.